we're in Cape May and it's Christmas time, and I'm gonna quickly share with you guys what Cape May looks like at Christmas, because when they say it looks like a Hallmark movie, it's an understatement, because it is gorgeous. I mean, just look behind me. We're in Rotary Park right now, and it's so beautiful. They literally just lit the tree about an hour and a half ago. So before I give you a tour, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up, and a special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this on a frozen night. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started, because we're going to start off here, maybe go to Congress Hall, see some Victorian houses, walk the mall. So let's do this. Be sure to grab your Wildwood's Christmas ornament before we sell out. We currently have 6 of them in stock. You can get them by clicking in the link in the description of this video. And the new one for this year, it is Santa riding the Great White. So if you want one, go ahead and grab them while they're still here. Let's go ahead and just talk about how many lights are here in Rotary Park. There is so many, and a lot of people out today to celebrate Christmas here in Cape May.
Not me, but yeah, just...
It's always strange to come here when the fountain's not on. Am I right? You see the Cape May stage is even all decorated. There's a lot of folks out today. Such a pretty tree. This one's like bushier than last year. Santa was here earlier. His chair's still here though. Oh, look how pretty this tree is. I mean, this tree is gorgeous. It is such a beautiful tree. It's a lot thicker than the other one. The candy canes and bows. This is only one of many trees we're going to see today. It is honestly so beautiful. Joe, what do you think of the tree this year? They always do a great job here. Put lights everywhere too. We're going to make our way to the mall. And oh, it looks so pretty. Got the lights, all the Christmas lights up. And a lot of the stores are all decorated for Christmas. Delia's looks really cool. They did a lot of work inside. Look at all the trees. I was asking, it is with the wind chill 24 tonight, we found out. It is a cold one. There's so many cool little like areas that you can go take photos in and look cute, like this little alleyway here. But like also windows look really cool too. Like, look at Santa. This looks neat. And Sunshine did a really cool job with their window. And these trees, very cool. And if you're like us, you grab a new ornament every year inside Winterwood. But we were too late. They're already closed for the night. I think we just missed them because the parade had like just ended. And of course we have to stop by and see the Victorian house is all decorated for Christmas. The wind's picking up a little bit, so I apologize. It's getting a little bit, the audio gets a little messed up. But here's the Queen Victoria, which looks so pretty. I mean, it is gorgeous, all lit up. We're coming up to the main row of Victorians, all decorated up. They've got some tour buses going around. I always love this house because they have sort of like a matching, they have a matching mailbox. Actually, is this even a mailbox? I don't think it is. No, it's not. This is so cool. If you look here and you look up, that's right, it matches. Now some of these houses, they do the candlelight tour. You can go inside and tour them. We're not doing that today. This was a last minute trip for us, but I always love how great of a job they do on these houses. This is the Harrison. If you're gonna move down a little bit more, you can see this house with a ton of Christmas trees in it. You've got the Sisters by the Sea with some awesome trees, different colors and shapes. and sizes, inside and outside. Hey, the Eagles flag, go Birds! This one looks so pretty. Now we're gonna come up to my favorite, the mainstay, all the way down there. You'll see why in a second. Their decorations are always top notch. And you guys can see why this house is impressive in the summertime and the wintertime. So cool. We're gonna make our way to Congress Hall. In the meanwhile, we're going through the other side of the mall. Sorry if it feels a little rushed. It really is very, very cold out tonight. To the point where like, I feel like my nose has frostbite. Just gonna go to Cape May just to show you the window because it's cool looking. I'm a big train guy, so anytime I see trains, I'm like, oh my gosh. But that looks really neat. And I shared this one with you guys a couple weeks back. They always do a great job. I gotta back up for a second so you can actually see what the Cape May Fish Market looks like from afar. It's got the left window and the right window. Mr. Krabby. And we always talk about how magical Cape May looks. Look at this, guys, at Christmas time. It is so beautiful. Check out Whale's Tail. They always do a great job decorating everything. So pretty. These are gorgeous. Snowflakes made out of wood.
It's open! It's open!
Someone's excited. Got some awesome things to get in here too for Christmas or someone. But now let's make our way into Congress Hall, where hopefully the heat is on because it's entirely way too cold out this early in December. By the way, here's the Victorian, not the Victor, the Viking, sorry. I keep saying that with the Bob Dylan movie coming out soon. We're going into Congress Hall over here. And it's happening. There's a lot of people coming in and out. And we're heading inside the Congress Hall. Check out the gingerbread. Maybe they got the gingerbread bread house out already. I don't think so. No, not yet. Not yet. It's a sled up front. Where's the gingerbread house at? Light is packed in it. Oh, this is so pretty. It's in its workshop that way. And it's packed in here. That is adorable. It is so blue pig, like the restaurant. My sister used to work there one time. This place is happening, and I gotta go get something for my godson. I saw a cute sweater, and my wife's actually scoping it out right now.
Cutest thing ever.
We had to get this for our godson. His mom used to work here, so this works. That is blue pig. That's too tiny, yeah. It won't fit me. Annual Christmas gift acquired, and now we're gonna walk around, probably go outside for a little bit. It is packed inside, so we're heading in. All right, come on. I got you. No, you're good. Thank you. No problem. And then ready to lit the tree. Wow, that is gorgeous. And you can see someone switched it on, so it is on. It's so pretty. For those asking, no, that tree's not there year-round. They bring in a tree every year. Sorry, it's so cold I can barely speak. And this one is gorgeous. Look how pretty. They have a carousel here. And he's screaming, it's the last ride. Last ride for the night. And here's the village. Got hot chocolate and popcorn and drinks, and you can get some cool stuff. Some seashell ornaments and wreaths.
They're closing tight.
It is just too gorgeous here. I love coming to Congress Hall Christmas time. It's so pretty. Joey loves all the lights and everything, and the tree all together. Definitely a place you have to stop by, and especially during the holidays. There you guys go. That is Christmas in Cape May. It is magical here. Hallmark movie, right? Hopefully,
Beautiful. And just as cold.
It's just as cold. I know. We picked the 2 coldest days out of the year to go see all the Christmas stuff down here.
That's the
But
magic of Christmas.
It does, but make sure you guys get down here. It is gorgeous. So many awesome shops to check out, whether it be in Cape May or the Wildwoods. And hopefully we'll see you guys on the beach. Just not right now, because it's way too cold. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.